In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a fax in Outlook. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Outlook account and subscribe to an electronic email fax service. Now, the reason I'd like you to subscribe to this service is because sending a fax in Outlook requires a third-party online fax service or a connected fax modem server. And as Microsoft 365 does not have built-in fax or functionality, the most common and convenient method is using the online fax service. So once you do, you register for it, you choose a service. They're going to provide you with the domain name. So it's going to be a specific domain. And what you're going to do is you're going to come to your Outlook account. You're going to click on new email. And under the new email, what you're going to do is you're going to add the recipient's fax number. So this is just an example. You add the recipient's fax number. You ensure that you've added a country code to it, and then you put an @ and you add the domain that the fax service gave to you at the end of the recipient's email address. So this is how it should look like. Don't forget you're always to add the country code, add the recipient's number, the fax number, add the @ and then add the domain. Here you're gonna input the subject and you're gonna input the body of the message. And once you click on send, what's gonna happen is it's gonna go to the domain service provider, and this domain service provider is going to convert this email to a fax and is going to send it to this number, so the number that comes before the @ So that's how you send a fax in Outlook. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.